recording, so I'm gonna start another.
Oh,
Sarah just went in the water.
How cold is that? You're lucky you're not a guy. Otherwise, that'd be...
Lucky you're a pussy.
You got a video?
I got a video.
Alright, ready?
Better hurry up.
These sweats feels like it's branches. There's shit touching me.
Alright, here I go. I'm going.
Oh shit! Get Sarah on the boat. We lost our driver. Oh shit!
My elbow's broken.
Brandon, come talk to the camera. We got 10 seconds.
Fuck off.
How's your arm feel?
Oh my god, Brandon, I couldn't get